In tonight's Health Alert, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is making a big change to its COVID-19 guidance. People who test positive for the virus will no longer be directed to stay home from work or school for 5 days after testing positive. 7 Action News reporter Sarah Michaels has the reason for the change and what people are saying about it.
Effective immediately, the CDC is no longer asking people to stay home from work and school for 5 days if you have COVID. But how will those around you feel? We're in Romeo, finding out.
So I believe it'd be a good thing. What do you say?
I think it'd be a good thing for them not to quarantine.
Right.
No, they still have it. You have to quarantine for 5 days.
Betty Hansford and Ed Lasky spend most every day working together, but like many, their opinions of the CDC dropping their 5-day isolation guidelines could not be more different.
Ed gets COVID and decides not to quarantine and just comes straight into work. How are you going to feel?
I'm going to stay home.
The CDC's reasoning behind their loosening of guidelines is detailed in a 25-page document. In part, they say that although coronavirus infections are continuing at levels similar to past years, now people are not getting as sick or having to be hospitalized as much. With this change in guidelines, the CDC is streamlining their respiratory illness recommendations. Now, COVID guidelines are more in line with RSV or the flu.
That's kind of frightening. I believe that even with influenza that you should quarantine yourself as well.
Although the 5-day isolation recommendation is now dropped, the CDC still advises people to stay away from others when you're sick. Now, if you've been fever-free for at least 24 hours and are improving, you're in the clear to go out.
I think that that is fine as long as all of us as a whole, take care of ourselves.
Lastly, the CDC cites this stat. At the end of last year, 98% of people in the U.S. had COVID antibodies from either vaccination, prior infection, or both.
I just am concerned about the numbers going up for COVID.
As long as we look after ourselves and we're honest with ourselves, and if we shouldn't be around others, I need to take it upon myself not to be.
And it's worth noting that other countries like the United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada have all implemented similar policies to this one. They say that they have found no significant increase in disease spread. In Romeo, Sarah Michaels, 7 Action News.
All right, thank you so much, Sarah.